Ever found yourself stuck in a seemingly endless traffic jam, questioning your life choices? We've all been there, haven't we? It's a shared global experience, this dance with traffic congestion that seems to have a knack for being in the wrong place at the wrong time. The frustration of stagnation, the drumming of fingers on the steering wheel, the silent countdowns, and the endless honking symphony. Traffic jams are not just an annoyance, but a massive waste of our time. Time that could be spent on more productive or fulfilling activities. They are also an environmental concern, with countless vehicles idling, belching out emissions, contributing to the deterioration of our planet's health. These everyday gridlocks are a true testament to the inefficiencies of our current traffic management systems. But what if I told you we could change all that? Imagine a world where traffic jams are a thing of the past. Believe it or not, that world might not be so far off. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is transforming many aspects of our lives, and traffic management is no exception. The way AI is revolutionizing traffic control is nothing short of extraordinary. Imagine a world where traffic flows smoothly, where congestion is a thing of the past, and your commute time is drastically reduced. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, with AI, this dream is inching closer to reality. AI works by analyzing traffic data in real time. It collects information from various sources such as traffic cameras, sensors, and satellite imagery. By processing this data, AI can predict where congestion is likely to occur and take proactive steps to alleviate it. Take traffic lights, for example. AI can optimize their timings based on the current traffic flow, ensuring that no lane is unfairly congested. It's like having a smart traffic conductor who can see the entire city's traffic and adjust accordingly. AI also plays a pivotal role in traffic monitoring systems. It can identify